Ladies and gentlemen, so we have question 8 on the Math Accuplacer test number 2, right? So which of the following fractions is equivalent to -6, negative parentheses, negative inside parentheses, over 8? All right? So which one would it be? A, is it going to be -8 over 8? -3 over 8. Is it going to be B, +3 over 8? Is it going to be C, -15 over 8? Is it going to be D, +15 over 8? All right, so let's go for it. Okay, so here we have -6 first, right? And -6, we're going to take negative, numbers as if we owe money, okay, always. And for positive as if we have money, okay? So we owe $6 here, and then we have a negative, and then another -9 inside parentheses. So if we assume that the negative sign here is like doing the opposite of borrowing $9 here. Okay? So if this were to be a positive, so that means we're still borrowing. But because this one is negative, so that's like the opposite of borrowing $9. So doing the opposite of borrowing $9 is like crediting $9. So it's a credit, right? So it's going to be a plus 9 over 8. Or in math, when we're talking about the sign rules, okay? So a negative outside the parentheses with a negative inside the parentheses, the negative outside will change the negative inside the parentheses to the opposite. So that's the reason why we had the +9 here, okay? And then we will go ahead and combine these two numbers together. Now, somebody could have just done what? Like just switch it. So it's going to be 9 minus 6, which is what? +3. Or somebody can just go ahead and say this negative number and this one is positive number. So because of that, I'm automatically going to subtract and keep the sign of the highest number. So I'm going to subtract 6 from 9, which is 3. And then keep the sign of the highest number. The highest number here is what? +9. And what's the sign of it? Positive. So this number is going to be a +3. +3 over 8. And which one is the answer here? Is B. All right? So we good.